All right, so everyone knows about Esquites, that beautiful Mexican street corn. So I'm taking that idea and I'm putting it into a salad format. Here we are, buddy. It's about to get tasty. One of my favorite dishes, especially when you're outdoor, wheat, luscious corn that's char grilled with tons of beautiful other roasted vegetables. Actually grill it with some of the actual husk on it so it doesn't overcook and it kind of almost steams, but at the same time gets charred. These beautiful peppers, adobo with like a little tomato-based sauce, a little bit of crema mexicana, a little bit of lime juice, a touch of olive oil, some cracked pepper, a little bit of salt. We're gonna just give it a quick little whisk. No big deal. Simple, just a quick little dice, no big deal. And then I have a chile serrano, which is kind of like the devious little brother of the jalapeño. And then here, we gotta check that out. Nice little spoonful there. Give it a quick little mix. One little squeeze of fresh lime just to kind of wake it up and make it happy. Beautiful. Qué rico.